Hi, this video I'm continuing with the different ammo in the same rifle test. This ammo now that I'm going to be shooting is the CI brand out of Mexico. It's a 40 grain round nose, and I'm going to be trying it in my Smith Wesson first. Let's see how good I do here. Hit. Hit. Looked like it was just slow. Hit. Hit. Oh, that one hit high. Hit. Looked like off to the right. And they were empty. So I'm gonna have to say this rifle likes that CI stuff too, because my Savage likes it the best too. So we're gonna come up with the 1022 next, and we'll see how the 1022 likes it. Okay, so I got the 1022, 10 rounds of the CI, 40 grain. Okay, let's see how this rifle likes that ammo. Get into my target. There we go. That hit low. Still low. Still looked like it was low. Windows is looking okay. There we go. To the right. Hit. 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 And it looks like we're empty. Yeah. So yeah, it's hitting lower, but looks fairly consistent. Once I got the elevation set up, adjusted holdover to where it was hitting, it hit pretty good. So yeah, I say it did pretty good. Okay, now I got the Savage, the bolt action, with the CI brand from Mexico, 40 grain round nose. Now, again, I suspect I'm going to do best with this one because it has a better trigger, better scope. But we'll see. Maybe today I'm wrong. Okay. Getting bugs on me. Oh, that one looked like it went over the left edge near the top. And that looked like it went off the left edge. So it looks like it's hitting left, so I'm going to aim a touch to the right. There we go. Yeah. Okay, and we're empty. So yeah, it was shooting a little bit to the left. Yeah, and I haven't adjusted my scope at all. So probably because I took the suppressor off. Anyway, but yeah, I did pretty good. I was at 8 out of 10 and 2 just right off the edge. So I'm going to call that pretty good. All right, thanks for watching.